gone, bandit. Mother sent you? It is good she can't see me trussed up like a sheep. The bandits were more challenging than I expected. She could have killed a few. You thought her a poor mewling widow? Pah! Mother is not entirely what she seems. She warned me to wait and watch before approaching Hazak's hut. I sought to avenge my father's memory, but was captured. Then when you free me, I'll fight Hazak. Good. Now, untie my bonds so we can look for the key to Hazak's lair. Swish slash poke. I can hardly believe it. I'm free.
Don't be offended. He What have you done? And you have done what I could not. My husband now rests with the ancestors, free of the Skooma enslaving him. When Hazik embraced Skooma with more affection than he did with me, I gave him every chance to claw his way back. But Skooma peddlers are slavers of the mind itself. When Hazik turned his addiction into enterprise, there was poisoned arrows to stun, a blade to finish. I spoke to each as they lay frozen on the dock, before adding crescent moons to their throats. These unclawed shapes. I noted the ardor of the moons within you and sent you to aid Kari. That is help, yes? But I would know. How did my son fare against Hazik? Did he fight bravely as he was taught? Then Kari learns to stand with allies rather than on his own. He shows me he is ready. With time and training, he will honor Ajir Trajijazeri. We justly take by force. At Two Moons Dance, we study the thin line between justice and vengeance. We train so we will always know the difference. Enjoy your life, worker. You never know when those you love can slip away. Trajijazer. Kari, you did what Mother could not.
How about 3? They aren't good for much else. Yes, Afe, even you. Do not eat the rats, this one says. Do they listen? No! Stupid Sench. Lazy Sench. They already did. That's the problem. Moon sugar makes you sleepy if you eat too much. Rats eat moon sugar, Sench eat rats, and then... Not with sugar bellies. These useless Sench could only kill a rat if they fell upon it. From a great height. Go inside, lock the doors, wait until they leave? No. Let this one think. Without thunderbugs nest nearby, they defend their delicious eggs from anyone who'd make a meal of them, yeah? Undoubtedly. But they'd hesitate to harm the eggs once you possess them. Smash an egg into each rat nest, and the thunderbug's electric frenzy kills the rats before the inspectors arrive. Wonderful! Save some eggs for Simba.
We did not expect you so soon, Inspector Tarmar.
One must arrive early to see the truth of things.
The truth. But we have nothing to hide, Inspector.
Sir.
Clever luring thunderbugs out of their mounds like that. A scheme worth excellent. Our gracious inspector has been most patient with us. Perhaps witnessing your ingenuity, Joan and Joe dance kindly with you, Walker. Whatever the findings of our esteemed inspector, we are in your debt. Oh, dance. Will you be staying with us long, Inspector?
So much to do, so little time.
As long as necessary. One can only tolerate so much fresh air.
Truly. Then we'll endeavor to make your stay comfortable.
Don't fret over much. If my duty requires it, I can tolerate.
holy place. Leave off worldly things.
Weapons. Fresh.
This one has heard reports. You've kept busy. Good. You fit in now more than ever. How did things go? Clearly, you were meant to help us out. Joan and Jode have a sense of humor, yes? And of course, Raz thinks discretion deserves a reward. Keep your wits about you, my new friend. Mistral's houses cast... Mistral is the jewel of the southern seas, a free port with trade ties to half of Tamriel. Kenarthi's Roost has an old treaty with the Maumar. They claim the Dominion fleet intended to invade their home waters. It's a sticking point in the negotiations. The Sylvanar, without Mistral's support, the Dominion will have precious little defense on its southern coasts. He is the voice and spirit of the Wood Elves. They say he was, and will. Razumdar is just a simple Khajiit. He seeks the best for all the people of Tam.
Fine goods at fair prices.
So where are we going?
I'm thirsty. Let's find the inn.
Is the Sylvanar blind? Every one of these sea elves is a venomous serpent waiting to strike. We should have Lorcan, take them all. Why did the Sylvanar negotiate? Those pirates are a stick in the High Elf eye. They capture our merchant ships and raid our settlements. Not as long as the Sylvanar confuses diplomacy with capitulation. He's inside with the rest of them.
Your pardon, friend. The Dominion's arrival on Kenarthi's Roost has upset the locals. It falls on me to smooth the waters. Please, help yourself to... Most unexpected. It seems we have a mutual friend. May I ask, then perhaps you can advise me on a small matter. The Maormer have a treaty with Kanathis Roost. This is nothing to fear. A treaty is something I can... Indeed, why not? It would be indecorous to suggest the treaty is anything but actual and sound, yet I fear... Exactly. A chorus of requests may succeed in carrying the tune. Harani in particular seems...
It's hard to keep track of the new faces since the hurricane, but I don't believe we've met. And I told him, the mere act of doing... Look around you. What great armies do you see? Our survival depends on knowing when to fight and when to please.
We upheld our treaty with the people of Kanathis Roost for generations. And this is how they repay our kindness? By all rights, this is our island. Harani's people occupy it with our blessing. If she breaks the treaty, so breaks our... We keep a copy on an island far from here. I see no reason to send for it. I won't allow High Elf...
Any luck securing a copy of the... Then there's little chance for compromise. I'll call a break in formal talks until everyone calms their nerves. Do you understand the stakes? I can't allow the Dominion's first act on Kanathis Roost to be one of conquest. I understand our mutual friend prefers the rum served at a nearby tavern. It's a name, a title, and our holy city. Quite an honor to carry around such an important word, and the occasional burden in its... A freshly grown fruit, still without blemish. On behalf, she sustains me, and I her. Together, we are the aspirations of the Bosmer people given forth.
But still, he provides for you, no?
Come and see
And your
from the
mother
distant
is so
shores of
pure.
Glanumbra a real, live dog. Keep some distance from the beast. It is only my... Do not worry. It is safely caged.
You think this one drinks on the job? Good. Then so will everyone else. What is the word, my new friend? Ulandil certainly won't. His viper tongue is sharp. But Harani can't, because her copy was stolen. It only takes 3 drinks. A good question. Raz answers it with an interesting bit of trivia. Ulandil posted a guard at his quarters the day... Someone needs to slip into Marmor Embassy, find a way past the guard, and rifle through Ulandil's private quarters. The pragmatist in this one says it's because you have no firm connection to the Dominion.
Songs for our queen, our beautiful elf, who would not be held up there on a shelf.
For prosperity.
Another one?
For security. For unity. For the Dominion. Your chance for untold prosperity comes with Dominion rule.
What's your step, Groundwalker?
Don't cause trouble.
limits. Are you lost? Ambassador, none of your business. Go bother the clerk. He doesn't know.
Everything is so still.
Ambassador Ulondil isn't here.
Are you lost? Ambassador Ulondil. What? She wants to meet me? Now? Out of my way.
Watch your step, Groundwalker.
The spring in your step. Did you know a sense of accomplishment can alter one's stride? You'll learn to notice it enough. The Sylvanar is certainly being watched by the Maumar. You should inform him the treaty is safe. He will know what to do next. The Sylvanar and the Green Lady are being put up in the armorer's home. This one recommends you knock before entering. At a quick glance, there are holes in the treaty. When the Sylvanar worries at them, he'll tear a hole in the Maumar's.
So much to do, so little time.
Sylvanar's inside resting. You have 5 minutes.